Hi, this video is brought to you by TechDirectArchive.com. In this video, I'll be showing you how to disable cloud-based spell checker in both Microsoft Edge and Google Chrome. There are some times that you may be handling some sensitive data which you may not want to expose to any third party, and some of these spell checker they are cloud-based, and most of them or most times the data you are working with is usually shifted or transferred to the environment for the spell checking. So for you not to expose your data to this danger or whatsoever, or if it's a sensitive data, you don't want it to be exposed to the third party, you can go ahead to block or disable this feature in both Microsoft Edge and Google Chrome. And that is what I'm going to show you in this video, how that can be done easily and perfectly. So now let's move into the group policy. So once the group policy opens, you just navigate to under computer configuration. You'll see administrative templates, and under this administrative template you will see classic administrative templates ADM. This sometimes does not usually, or for it to be displayed here, I'm talking about this classic administrative template, you need to install the templates either from Google or from Microsoft. Um, I have an article on that, on how to go about it. There's an article that I wrote on that, how to install group policy templates for Microsoft Edge and Google Chrome browser on Windows 10. There's also a video that you can watch on how to do that. So going back to the editor, let me bring this up. So going back to the editor, if you collapse this folder here, you will see both Google and Microsoft Edge that have been installed already. So let me collapse or expand it. We are doing, or before this, before showing you this setting, let me open Microsoft Edge for us to know where the spell checking feature is. Once you open it, just go to settings. Under settings, then you will see languages. Click on languages. Just go to use writing assistance section. You will see that under Microsoft Edge, Microsoft Editor is the default. And look at what look at the statement here. It says editor provides enhanced grammar, spelling, and style suggestions to help you write confidently on the web. Data is sent to Microsoft for processing. So your data will be sent to Microsoft for processing. So if you do not want this to be done, is either you uh, disable it totally, or you can change to basic. This basic has this statement: get basic spell checking assistant from Microsoft Edge. When you write on the web, data is processed locally on the device. So this is still safe, but you can decide to lock both features, both Microsoft Editor and Basic. So same thing also goes to the Google Chrome. Let me you just go to settings, same way. You go to languages, just go to the spell checking section here. You will see basic spell check. That's the default. Then we also have the enhanced spell check. This will be sent to Google. Text you type in the browser is sent to Google. So there's an issue with your data being exposed here. So these two features can as well be disabled. So how can we do that? That is why we have the local group policy. So we have the template for Google and for Microsoft. So it is the template that will avail us that opportunity to be able to use group policy to disable those features. So now on the Google Chrome, let me click on it. Let me pick standard here. So just look for enable spell check and just let me check. That's the only setting that you can use. Enable, I think it's down. Sorry. I'm struggling to find it. Okay, sorry about that. This is it. Enable spell check. So just click on it, open it. Once you open it, you'll see it's not configured. So once you enable this, let's enable it. Once you enable it, it's going to, or once we disabled it, I mean, it's going to disable those features under Google Chrome, and you will not be able to use the spell check again. So let's do that now. Disabled. So let's apply. Okay. So once that is done, can you see the spell check has been disabled, so you can't make use of it again. So if you want to enable it back, just click on it, enabled, apply, okay. So you should be good. It's back now. So what about the Microsoft Edge? For the Microsoft Edge, okay, let me this is it. So for the Microsoft Edge, let's go to Microsoft Edge. It has two ways in which you can disable it. You can only use, you can decide to disable just the Microsoft editor while the basic will be enabled. So just look for spell check. I think yeah. So this is spell checking provided by Microsoft Editor. So what this will do is it is going to disable the Microsoft Editor only, while the default will shift to basic. So let's do that now. So we are going to disable it now. Let's apply. Click OK. Can you see this is disabled now? While the spell check has been shifted to basic. So what if you want to disable both? It's very possible. You can disable both feature. Let me enable it back. So let's just set to not configured for us to enable it back. Okay, so it's back now. So what if you want to disable both feature? So let's look for enabled. I think I'm going to find this on time, unlike the other one. Uh, is it? Yeah. able to. So let me just open it now. So once it's opened, we are going to disable it. So this will disable both feature. Let's apply and click OK. So can you see both feature is disabled now? You can make use of both the Microsoft editor and the basic. So it's really pretty straightforward, very easy, and it's not that difficult. So it's just able to make use downloading the templates, knowing where to download it, installing it, then go into your group policy editor and doing all the necessary configuration there, and you are good to go. So now I've enabled them back. So you can try this if you do not want your data to be transferred to a different environment just because of uh, data exposure, data sensitivity. So you can go ahead and follow these steps. So I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.